Hi, I'm Jordan with Karcher. This video is for the operation and maintenance of a B100 walk-behind auto scrubber. We'll wish to unplug the machine from the charger, assemble the red Anderson couplers. We will check to make sure that the squeegee assembly is installed properly and ready to go. We will make sure that our brush or pad drivers are clean and on the scrub deck, ready for operation. We'll wish to make sure that we have plenty of fresh water and clean detergent for the task at hand and transport to the area to be cleaned. We will turn the unit on, lower the squeegee assembly, select the desired amount of solution, choose our speed for the cleaning task, use the foot pedal to lower the brush assembly. We will then engage the yellow portion of the steering column to activate the auto scrubber. When done cleaning for the day, we'll wish to transport back to the area for cleaning and storage. We will want to remove the tool-free squeegee assembly, rinse and check the blades. We'll wish to take off the brush or pad drivers and inspect them for the next usage. We will want to use the large dirty water dump hose to drain the recovery tank as well as rinse the inside of it. Leaving the top portion open so that tank can air dry. And if need be, unplug the red Anderson coupler and plug it into the charger so that it can recharge the batteries for the next operational day. Well, thank you for watching our video on the operations and maintenance of a B100 auto scrubber. And until next time, keep it clean.